Let's do craft. You're going to need glue, paper, pencil, plate for birthday cake, a Sharpie, a marker of whatever color you want or you have at home, and of course, you'll need scissors. Let's begin. Do 2 circles for the eyes, and then you are going to cut the paper, and then cut the paper in the shape of the circles you drew. Once you have your 2 circles, draw the black of the eyes, then color them. They don't have to be black. You can choose whatever color you want and be creative with it. Once you are done with the eyes, draw an oval and then cut it for the nose. Then after that, draw a circle in the paper you cut and then a line for the nose. Trace the lines and put a lot of dots at the bottom. Then draw 2 half circles for the ears. After that, cut them. Once you're done, start gluing everything. Don't forget the ears. Once you are finished gluing, you can start decorating. You can decorate it however you want. You can put more colors, you can put glitter, literally anything you want. This is my finished result and I'm dying to see yours. How did you do it? Did you put more colors? Did you put glitter? Let me know and share me your work through my email. You can also send me a picture of your work through my social media down below on the descriptions and also on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next one.